Here we are asked to find the LCT between two algebraic expressions. First one is x squared minus 49. The second one is x squared minus 3x minus 28. The first step in finding the LCD is to factor each expression. This is the difference of two squares, so that's x plus 7, x minus 7. The second one is a trinomial with a lead coefficient is a 1. So factors of the first term of x and x. Factors of 28 are 7 and 4, 28 and 1. Which combination will give me the middle term? I believe it's 7 and 4. And we want the middle term to be negative, so I'll make the 7 negative and the 4 positive. That gives me the middle term. And it also gives me the last term when I multiply. Minus 7 times plus 4 is minus 28. Now, the second step, after we factored each expression, is to look at each factor and write down each of the different factors. So we have an x plus 7, we have an x minus 7, and we have an x plus 4. So there are 4 factors, but there are only 3 different ones. Then the question becomes, what's the most I see each factor in either of the 2 factorizations? X plus 7 only occurs once, maximum once. X minus 7 occurs a maximum once, and x plus 4 occurs a maximum once. So this is the LCD. In this problem, we're asked to reduce the fraction. Find the largest value that is common both to the numerator and the denominator. 768 and 36 are kind of large numbers. It takes a while to figure out which is the largest common factor, which I did this ahead of time. I think 768 breaks down into 12 times 64. And I'm going to write u fourth, looking at the denominator, as u squared and u squared. And I'm going to write y to the 8th as y to the 6th and y squared. Remember, when you're multiplying exponentials with the same base, you add the powers. In the denominator, I'm going to write 36 as 12 and 3. Leave this as u squared. Leave this as y to the 6th. Now, what's the largest common factor that can reduce the top and the bottom? Well, the 12s cancel out. The u squares cancel out. The y to the 6th cancel out. And what am I left with? I'm left with 64 over 3 u squared y squared. Oops, I said a y.